Good afternoon, everyone. In this video, we are going to continue our essay, The Spider and the Bee. And we all know that who has written this essay, the great writer whose name was Jonathan Swift and who was an Irish writer born in Dublin 1667. And we were reading about the essay The Spider and the Bee, which is a part of the Battle of the Books. And we had also read that this but this essay represents the um, debut or represents the category of writers, ancient writers and modern writers through the symbolic creature bee and spider. And we have read in the last video where we had left, we read that the spider and the bee were blaming each other and putting their own fear of the of fear of upon superiority over each other. And at last, B was commenting on the life of B spider and telling about himself that who is greater between us, that a creature who is just laziness product, nothing excepting dirt and cobweb, who just egoist, who just who does not, who don't do any hard work, who is great. And then tells about himself that I am a creature who visits everywhere, I do hard work, I do researches and collects the raw material and take a good decision, and after that I bring to home to human life honey and wax, which is very useful in the life of a person. So we are going to discuss the next para. And in the beginning of the essay, I had told that this essay or this incident took place in the St. John's Library, and the castle of the spider was situated at the highest corner of the window, and the window was the part of the part of that St. John's Library. So now the debut is going on, and the dispute was managed with such eagerness, calmor and warmth that the two parties of books in arms below stood silent a while, and the uh, debate reached on a point so violent that the two parties stood silent for a while and with curiosity was waiting for result, which was delayed for some time. Means it was not clear, still it not clear that who is better, uh, either the spider or bee. So waiting in suspense that to what would be the issue, means what will be the result of this debut, which was long undetermined. And the result was not clear for a long time, and for the bee, grown impatient at so much loss of time, fled straight away to a bed of roses. And finally, bee got impatient. Impatient means the bee thought that there is no value of this debut because spider is not ready to listen anything, to understand anything. So the bee fled away in the search, or fled away to visit a bed of rose, means a line of roses, without looking for a reply. Means finally bee thought that there is no value in the answers of spider, so she did not wait for he did not wait for the reply of uh, which will which was come from spider, and left the spider like an orator collected in himself and just prepared to burst out. And finally bee left the spider in his broken castle alone to lost himself and uh, lost in anger or to burst out. Means bee at the end of the dispute, bee understood the value of time and finally thought that this spider is not ready to think or ready to understand or ready to listen anything, so there is no value uh, of having talk with the spider. And after this thought, she just fled away to visit the flowers, and the bee did not wait for the answer of the spider, because uh, bee thought there is no value in the answers of spider, and left the spider alone in his broken castle, and left the spider alone and to lost in himself, and left the uh, spider alone to brushed out over other creature. So now the real matter of the essay is coming out, that the books were listening this debut, and now the real matter is coming, that how now this book comparison between compared themselves with the category of writers, and divided in the category of writers, that who is great between them. So it is our video, and in this para it is just starting of real matter, that the books got curious and were waiting for the result, and the result was not sure that who is better of them. Then the bees bee thought about that value of time and just fled away, and left alone the spider to repair his house, his castle, and to repair to left the spider alone to burst out with anger. So this is our video, and in the next video, now the books are dividing themselves, and as the category of writers, means books are dividing himself in the side of a spider and the bee. So this is our video. Thank you.